Welding isn't just a trade, it's a craft that builds Canada from the ground up. Whether it's pipelines, ships, or skyscrapers, welders leave a permanent mark. But to take your skills national, the Red Seal Welder Exam is your next step. Let's walk through how to prepare without burning out. First things first, this exam is about more than sparks and steel. It's a formal test, usually 100 to 150 multiple choice questions. You'll have around 4 hours to complete it. But don't stress, it's built around real-life situations, not textbook trivia. Think about weld quality, safety codes, blueprint reading, joints, and welding processes. Now, if you're thinking, it's been years since I studied, you're not alone. Most candidates aren't fresh out of school. Many are experienced welders finally going for certification, or moving provinces and needing that red seal for interprovincial work. Preparation is key. Ideally, give yourself 3 to 6 months to review. Even if you're on the job daily, theory and exam wording are different from hands-on work. Start by breaking the material into sections. Safety procedures, weld symbols, process-specific techniques like SMAW, GMO, FCAW, and quality assurance practices. Try 30-minute daily sessions instead of long cramming blocks. Here's where it gets easier. At redsealstudyguide.ca, you'll find tailor-made tools for Red Seal Welder Exam prep. That includes Q&A books with logical answer choices, explanation-style guides that break down why each answer is right or wrong, and online timed tests that mirror the real exam environment. You can download everything instantly in PDF format, review from your phone, tablet or laptop, even on break at the shop. No waiting, no printing, just focused study time when you need it. A big confidence booster? Taking a practice test under time conditions. You'll spot weak areas early and improve focus under pressure. It also helps reduce anxiety on test day because you know what to expect. Now here's something to remember. Passing this exam doesn't just earn you a ticket. It earns you mobility across Canada. It signals to employers and unions that you're ready for leadership roles, training positions, and higher wages. Many Red Seal welders go on to become inspectors, supervisors, or instructors. Some even launch their own fabrication shops. This is your moment to shift gears from worker to recognized professional. If you're worried about your background, maybe English isn't your first language, or you've been away from books for a while, that's okay. Thousands of welders from all walks of life challenge this exam each year. Success doesn't come from perfection. It comes from steady, focused prep, and using the right tools to guide you. Before we wrap up, here's a tip that helps a lot. Don't study alone. Join a local group, team up with a co-worker, or connect online with others prepping for Red Seal. Explaining a concept to someone else helps it stick. And if you're looking for clear, structured, up-to-date prep materials, head to redsealstudyguide.ca. Whether you're after Q&A books, detailed explanations, or practice tests, you'll find tools designed by people who understand your trade. The Red Seal Welder Exam is within reach. You've already built a career with your hands. Now let's certify it with your head. See you on the other side of the weld.